welcome back to Steve Door 60. Yeah, I don't know. So today we are going to be showing you our 4 new slimes. Also, these are all fluffy and they are activated by Almat. And we also found that non-bio or the gel works best. Also, we do use that one because we don't have borax or anything like that because we do live in Britain.
We also use some glue and some shaving glue.
Washable school glue.
Yeah.
In America they use Alma's, but here we can just use any glue. So, we have 4 new slimes to show you. I made them, but you helped. So, let's get started. So the first slime we're going to be showing you is the whitey pink one. I did make this at school, but I gave it to you, didn't I? Do you want to stretch it?
This one's a really stretchable. This one isn't like the one that you can make like bubbles with. Well, you'll know what we mean with some of our other
You can stretch it or you can just rip it. So this is it poking.
Really like poking it. Scarlett's obsessed with the noise.
Right, this is the poking noise.
Scarlett's obsessed with the noise.
So then, next is
the bubble.
My favourite, and it is my
Purplish one.
My purplish grey.
You do have to use blue for that one, and this one can make bubbles, so we'll show what we mean.
This like really stretches, but this one does snap easy too. So this is the bubbles. Ready? Down, up, down. That's what we like doing. We like ruining them.
And then she's obsessed with the crackling noise.
And then this is the project noise. Oops. Pick up my signs for me. So this is the best.
Cheers.
Right, so next is another one of my slimes,
which I will be showing up.
So it's a yellow, like sunshiny, and it also gets bubbles on top.
This is it poking.
No, you need to show them how it stretches.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Well, this is how it stretches.
This one isn't the bubbly type, I don't think.
It is, and then but then you can also rip it again. So this
some
is
of
it
them
poking.
rip really easily, and some of them don't.
Right, this is it poking. So poking noise.
Last but not least
is this light purple. I call it my unicorn slime.
She's just made that one today.
Ow! Hit my foot.
She made the blue one, but it turned purple, and then she just added some pink one today. Some pink today.
This is my favourite. This is my favourite thing about this one.
That one's like the fluffiest.
This one's really fluffy. So this is it poking. I'll hold the camera.
That one makes a really big noise.
So that one's probably the best that one's probably the best for prodding, as it makes a really loud sound. And then this one is probably best for stretching. Sorry if you hear a camera line. This is probably best for like snapping.
And this one's probably best for like just playing with.
Playing with stress relieving.
Yeah.
So there are slimes that we've made for you this week. So comment in the section below what other slimes you want us to make. If you want us to try and make crunchy, fluffy, fishbowl,
we'll try
anytime.
And make it. So remember, subscribe,
like and share this with your friends.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.